Some people have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Some people we have Shibada seen, and Shibada talk about some of the TikTok of them who I got through things when I'm happy. You know what I mean? And I make it look like say them happy. Rosealee are one of them, Ivany are one of them. You see me, Brit are one of them. And him I go talk why. You see me I say, and wait till you know hear what him say about Rosealee. It might sound some type of way, but a reality. You know what I mean? We also, I think him talk about Raiq also, and tell Raiq what him should I do instead of carry out Rosealee. You know what I mean? Also my people, Shibada want to know where cheese there. Because a long time we don't see cheese on the scene and go on with herself. You know what I mean? So we have that. We also have anime people. Look like say Annie analyze the whole situation with Blinga X-Man, and she have second, you know what I mean? She has second guess the whole thing with she and him. And remember, you know, Annie them are no idiot, you know, people. Annie them maybe, you know what I mean, fall in love quick with a man. But Annie them are no idiot. Remember say Annie are on the road long time, you know, so whole heap of look out style Annie know them. And with that said, I feel like say Annie just find out something. You know what I mean? And I think say yo, you know say me not go in a relationship with a youth here. And me don't tell you none already, you know, my people. It not go last long. You see me I say it not go last long. Cause Annie them a look for somebody in them life, stand up in them life with them right through and nobody with the cheating and them something there. At least me don't know if you that give a pass still. You see it. But me don't see this relationship I go too far. Big one thing. That's just my opinion. I'm entitled to my opinion and I can say, you know what I mean, what me think. Big one thing. We don't try to disrespect nobody or, you know what I mean, put down nobody in no way, shape or form. Right? So we have that, my people. We also have Rosealee, you know, cause the whole heap of things them are going on the internet with Raiq, and she right now she want to give Raiq back his money. You see me? And that's too late, you know. It's too late to give back him his money. You should have think about that from your order the whole heap of something them Rosealee. You see me? Because that a overdo it. When you see your bill come up to how much $1,000, you're supposed to look into yourself and say, yo, you know, so I'm not gonna make him pay all of this money because I don't like say I your man. I don't like say your family member. I don't like say you're poor and this person rich and say that anything you want. From you see the bill and hear the amount for the things them, you're supposed to know say Ray. And Shibada say Rosealee maybe I work with a man there where them guy in place go eat, you know. Yes, I plan up and rob Raiq. So me hear Shibada say, I remember find out this video in our next one. But yeah, pan level my people, Rosealee said that she order every time when she got Elsha, right? So she's supposed to have an idea how much for the meal. You see me? And for order that same way knowing she has so much money for the meal, that is disrespectful, inconsiderate, you know what I mean? That for sure say, you know what I mean, you know, business, like how much this man want to spend to a level. You see me, you just want to more certain way. And that it look to me, say you carry me out well, Ray. No, she should make it bill reach so much. You know what I mean? Without putting in something. She shouldn't just stand up and watch the man pay that. My opinion still. Alright, let me see. I don't remember if we have anything more, my people, but maybe we'll add more things to it as we go on. So, make we kick it off, you know.
Oh, a nice feeling. No, me not like two people, then, baby.
They know how many persons go through it, baby. You just feel say extra with it.
No, me not extra. It's painful.
I don't say it is not, but I just feel say. Baby, I can't take pain, so.
No, son, I can't deal with this.
Tell you if you inflict pain. You see the war show them where you look, they show them where. Once the people are that toughen up like that,
Disappearing heart.
How about you?
Beauty is painful. But that means that this a beauty of so blood clot painful. The blood clot. It's hard, baby. Baby, you're not nothing now. It's hotter than baby pain. Oh. Better believe it.
Of course, them girl will about things to pain, and girl so till she can't get no more. Cause she don't want to feel none every minute she have, and if you follow her, your body was her. Them girls till she can't get no more. And so some people are alright with them when them they fight. She don't want to hold it out. She just don't want to feel nothing.
Wait. Okay.
Baby, you say they go with I don't think so with them. You say they go okay by today.
Yeah.
But you go along like say.
No, I remember it's steel. When it gets steel, ask them.
Ask them. My face could have bear it. Look how stronger.
Baby, no man, this can't bear. This can't bear.
Tell me, so when you get up, you don't feel it that much. I want to know.
But it is like, maybe the painkiller run on me, I go for some. Maybe it wear off.
If it toughen up a bit, she cannot take no form of pain on her touch. She need to toughen up a bit. We could have go through it and hold it. Me have one eye level of pain like my chest one, my pain chest one, it high. Maybe that's why, but you know what if somebody come right now and just carry one eagle, so get one injection, a judgment there.
No man. It's hard for sure. You don't understand.
You know
You don't understand. I don't know my penis. I'm a baby. It's not a baby pain. It's more than baby blood clot pain. This pain, this pain will knock you out, you know.
it just get worse.
Yes. Boy. Oh, now my blood clot pain, my love. But it was so bad. They will feel our old man is the baby.
Okay, yeah.
The woman said, Shadi, you don't give the brand walk? We say yes, I walk.
You say walk, me never say right here, so.
Me I walk right there, so.
Why? No right here, so. Walk round there, so where you go walk and come back.
No, sir, we can't do this for 2 hours. One long walk, does.
You don't have to go the length of the way, just go around this. Well, lay down then. Yeah, where you name? Where's your purse? Yes, you're pregnant.
How are you for walking then?
What are the walking that you must do?
Somebody say, if she do life, have cubes. You know, you know sense?
You know what I'm saying?
No sense. I told me talk gear tube, but I'm a tube and I'm a girl. The one thing me have was a people bag and them take it out because I can people from my own. Yeah, people say I'm strong. But now I leak. See, my husband is something and I make no blood up. See there?
Yeah, let's see, so you're not leak none at all.
I leak, girl. See, I call people blood up. Me not leak. Yeah, tell me about about tube and tube and tube.
Marathon. But I'm saying,
Hey, people. And that's why I tell you, say, yo, you see human being a learn, you know. No, sir. Human being a learn. You see human being, them are going to do what they want when they want to do it, or they want to do it, no matter the consequences. And even if them know the consequences, them still are going to do what they want to do. Because too much people we see do them body and the pain with them in and after them do them body. And some of them even unalive. And people still save how much money and still I go do body. And people me telling you something, no matter which part in the world you're there. If you do not have a damn car, you don't fi do nobody. You don't fi do nobody if you don't have a car. You don't fi do nobody and go sit down in a people train or sit down in a people taxi. You fi jump in a your own vehicle and go everywhere where you want to go. That me think. That are my opinion. I want to tell me what you think. You see what I say? But everybody right now just want the body. From your influencer, from your dep on TikTok and make a little money. The woman them, all of them want to do them body. Just name them. If they not do them body already, them soon go do them body. I one person me see hold some money and him not do him body yet and a Fabi. I mean I wonder when Fabi I go do fear. You see me, although Fabi is a little him to certain way. But when I think for me, I'm going to feel body, my people, let me know in the comment section. Because the rest of the girl them on on TikTok and will make money on TikTok. Me I tell you, say, do all of them do them body already? So let me know what you think, my people.
You want to tell me what we do from women I do? You don't say your money beat. Girl, right now get a pain. More no way I say.
don't come over here, come start the woman, you know.
But you can't move it now.
You can't move it?
Yeah.
That's all you know. Feel no pain for jig up and tell you. Tell you for jig up and dance. That you know.
But you can't move it, baby. It kind of stiff, you know, but you can't move. Who this? Yeah, but you can't move. We answer about but you can't move, bro. Just my hip kind of stiff, because you know the whole hip of fat there, right? Just so it kind of stiff out, you see? Yeah. But you can't move, girl. Whoa. No.
Now wait a minute. Now if you not pay me, I try and move your bottom.
Me put up a missing something already.
The Peppa pop up, so you never call her name. I read Peppa that. Put on Peppa, come up, look a while.
I saw them walk there. I saw the dead dad. No, I saw the dead dad them walk and go run and make me from life to life. Nobody count dirty Peppa and the dirty girl. Nobody count them down. Them a dead drunk. Them a dead dog. Them a crow beard. Them a fly blue. Drunk of them. Dead dog. I got talk about Rosalie. Who's blood clad Rosalie? Who's pussy clad Rosalie? Who's dirty Rosalie? You know Rosalie? No Rosalie. Rosalie used to sell pussy at town. Rosalie used to sell pussy at a captain. Take it fuck. Rosalie, you know you take that class and you say, I'm fuck her in a rare go, no move, no blood clot and way. Rosalie a nastiness. Rosalie a hog. Rosalie a blood clot hog. Come in and raise a rock, you're the hog going away far. A dog, the future.
I say me fi add her.
Don't know the people, when I come up, you can't add them.
Alright.
When I come here, they dirty girl them. That Peppa, Dan, you see Peppa? Peppa running from Clarendon. Live an unwanted, beat them to blood clot. Come on, go and friend and sell front. And take all of the mad man. You love that. Yes, and a clean dog, walk dog, and the baby sitting work. And sell Peppa sell for foreign. And Peppa sell, she sell. She's a one whore. She's a sell nigger and all about a summer. A bad she got through. Bad the dirty girl got through. The dirty girl got through. Bad rat. Peppa is a dark shit. Peppa is a dark shit. Peppa is a blood clot dog shit. I critical the blood clot him over here. Stinking puss up. I critical the blood clot him over here. Dirty critter. We come with a sentiment. We suck cocky like a dog. You want credit say cook like a dog. When I duster and cocky lick and a blood clot, no dog shit, you know. No dead dog, you know. Don't go down, don't go down. Them are rubbish. Them are rubbish. May you talk good, but Rosalie, she show me upon her blood clot life. Like who's dirty crazy? Who's thinking when crazy? Crazy what can sell crazy what can sell blood clot fuck. Crazy, you probably don't like you, them hate you. Go look for your family, walk on and fight you over all land. All land no fight you out of St. Thomas. No dirty blood clot, you know. No junk, no pies, not even up, you know.
So anyway you go there walk and look for your then lyric.
A dog shit, my name is Girlfriend. My name is Girlfriend. Peppa, you say Peppa?
Peppa used to good.
No, me no want good with Peppa. Me no want good with none. Me no want good with none of them. Me no want good with them. Peppa want little dog, y'all. Peppa run to the border and left her hand one. They put them hungry and naked. The black little country, them naked. Them naked, me I tell you. Peppa run to the bar for better. Peppa run to the bar for better. Peppa gun to the bar for go get all the man over there. And the man them over there. I'm a little dirty girl. She can create a little naughty blood clot so good girl. Then self blood clot sell. I'm done. I'm a little nasty girl. Dog shit them. Later.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make Derrick one water.
Hey, me I tell you no people, Derrick, him can't even talk good, but he can cuss you fuck. Me nah lie. When it come to cussing, he hard. Me nah lie with people, he hard when it come to cussing. Big one thing, you know what I mean? So, we know one thing with people in the comment section, you know what I mean? We're gonna watch some more.
Oh, look at run up Derrick blood pressure, so. You come like when Derrick hear Peppa name, Bombo Clot. He come like him going on a different gear. Derrick come like he hate Peppa. Me don't know what Peppa do even about me, I tell you. Man, touch pan man. Something me and go touch pan.
Dan,
Yeah.
you say all the old man I love problem and me not trouble him Dan. Me dey go my business and me get about 20 at the inbox. I share life to me, you know, from over your life, you know. And when me come now, Mr. Derrick I cuss me and me not call Derrick name. Where the old man you want with me? Dan, all young girl like me live a foreign and have two handsome pitney and make them naked and unwanted. If me naked, me not make me pitney them naked because it's a different kind of mother. Dan,
Mr. Girl,
every me sell me front, not tell me front for something, me not sell me front for nothing. And any man Derrick give me a hit me whole up and a film me man, and any man he say me sick and them me sick.
Yeah, but remember said Derrick said him not know you know, so people
Derrick don't know nobody. He know everybody business and none of that adopt dance.
Derrick don't know me. And Derrick around don't know me. And Derrick has cussed me with something when don't know about me. And me tell Derrick say come apart now. Derrick don't know if I bother me come to or when me come to. And me make Derrick was me have cool pick me, you know.
You know, say I say still when nothing no go say I say I go say.
Anytime we got Jamaica, we have roll Derrick neck and ring it like a lobster. And me I want nobody beat Derrick and me I got pack of butter Derrick and more and Derrick here so me I come to Jamaica for summer and me now go nowhere me I live straight from airport beat Derrick and go straight to jail.
Right so. And call me when you come to.
Derrick. And the camera at the tunnel, if a bother me come to me, I go cross back in bad, I go beat him and come back cross the border.
Call me when you go sister.
I'm the whole Derrick. Anytime the whole Derrick, me I beat him to shovel.
Derrick, me know you over here, listener. Mango season, you know, you want two mango.
Beat him. So,
what can Derrick be a problem? What can Derrick be a problem?
Derrick, of course, me to me a woman and Derrick a man and Derrick want with me have a good fat mouth. Derrick a cost me for phone card about 4 years now. Mr. send Derrick a phone card.
Dan, well, we was in moderate,
Andrew phone number. And when me say Derrick, you have to give me man phone number and Andrew phone number, that's why Derrick hate me.
4 years now.
Yes. We the moderator.
5 years. Derrick have me out. It's like I'm meeting Derrick mother. I want me check Derrick father from his mother and
yeah,
from
wife for Peppa.
No, Derrick has to kill the canteen.
Never know say so long in a
That's a
long time we know him.
Derrick go search and research and come back again and people think that me a trouble Derrick. Remember when me no over the call and Derrick a cuss me, you know, Derrick a cuss crazy and me Derrick a cuss, you know. And Derrick know say we come back to you and come back time, you know.
Derrick need to go down.
University I'm going to tell Nancy I lie down. I lie with what?
Because University move to everybody there. A long time when Derrick a come. One way I go, yeah, you don't know nothing. Derrick hate me all because me tell him the truth. Him the fuckery and me tell him the truth and him cuss me out.
Derrick say me I want dog. Alright, me I want dog. Derrick say me I sell my body. Alright, me I sell my body. So one more Derrick let this them me do. Derrick say me take married man. Me don't know which married man. Derrick say me man for the riot. From the day my band me never kept them the sickness.
No, I know you say I take married man. I'm crazy.
And me I take married man.
Oh, I'm crazy.
Yes, I me I take married man. And when the married man come out to me,
one married man, I'm married, and when the married man comes, she can't come out.
She's like University, you know what? Go me and let you Peppa and Derrick first. Me not look for you, you just come. You can't know when you trouble Derrick.
Dan and my husband him attack.
Okay.
That means I'm married woman, you know. Me married 15, I got to 16 years, certified married and can divorce and can do everything with me and so me don't know me's a legal, we don't call it legal or illegal. Me's a legal married woman, but me don't get a ring yet, you know. Me know what this kind of spouse.
Yeah, done wife.
But what do you do one video what day in a week, yeah, and you use Derrick face.
So now me biggest fan on TikTok, so with me.
So when is
me uncle, me not supposed to can use my uncle face for anything. I pay me uncle to all the things.
He come back. He come. Derrick a mango season. You want 2 mango for me?
Send it to me now. I say watch Peppa.
Peppa and come.
Derrick come
Peppa in there.
Do anything I want to do with Derrick.
Rosealee, sit down. That one the nice. So say you can't sit down you can't sit down on a chair. You can't sit down on a table. You can't. Hey, you have some wood in a feed mouth to see and you don't look right, you know, but you have some wood in a feed mouth. You have some wood in a feed mouth. You know things that women don't understand. Alright, you see where people them on the internet still, you know. You come like them a sell their soul. Not meaning say them a literally go up your man and do it, you know. Because somebody will just disgrace them to the ground and just to get 2 anat or 1 money gun or so then go sit down back in the same box with the person. Same time and say them a play a game. Meanwhile the person cuss them same way. And like you say, what kind of people them here? Them are people that are not mind. They're not shame. And then, same time, a next person says something simple to them and then bring down your whole.
I don't know if it's show, I don't know if for 2 days worth of love, I don't know if for 1 week worth of love, I don't know. I don't know, but maybe because I go through so much nowadays and people say they love me, I don't know how to upset it no more. Just watch and see, me weird. Then I kind of feel like I like him too much and I feel like more run because when I like somebody too much, I try to really run from them because I feel like it's too much or I'm not ready and I catch my blind side. The only kind of feel way different. You can't go talk to him and tell him that. You go tell him that I'm a date, so I talk to you and me and your friend. Me and your friend, we date, so I talk. Guy, he no make sex. Stay focused. Guy, he no make sex bother him. He's not a person like that. He no make sex bother him. I swear to you. I mean because he have understanding, but I don't know. Nowadays, like when a man tell me say they love me and rate it, I just not believe, you know, me come go through so much, but and the scariest thing is I have other feelings there. And it scare me because I see you can't tell if me lose.
Alright, my people, so like I said before, Annie, take away yourself from this relationship. You know what I mean? This is not genuine. Me not think it genuine. These are just my opinion with people. And at the end of the day, this youth I can really love Annie and want to build a life with him, you know. You see me? But check the track records, a young boy over there with big woman. I want to see the statistics. You see me? I say that's why I tell Annie to cut. You know what I mean? If at some pleasure you want and you just want to have some fun, well, do your thing. If you want to put on a show for the media, do your thing. But if you're serious and you feel like say yo, you're going to head over heels for this boy, yeah, and you know what I mean, whatever, you seek love, you know, and thing, and you feel like say you're going to look for in him, it can be real. Him can end up be somebody where guard your heart, take care of you, you know what I mean, keep you safe, secure, and all these things. But the track record speak for itself with young boy and older woman, especially older woman when they really have it like that. You see me? And to all woman bad mind, when she and him attack, other woman I go want him. And him now go tell them no, especially if it's a woman who have money. Me attack because me a man. You see me I say? Me not talk because me know him. I know say him I go do that. Me talk because me a man. You see me? So I don't think if you follow up the relationship, Annie, whatever you get in it already, and didn't even reach relationship levels yet. But to all me see you upon him, me just know say I go get your heart broken. People wanna tell me what they think.
Somebody, you know, they say me love you. I can't look in your eyes. I go shy. Like if me love you, I go nervous around you, and I go move weird. You see, if me not love you, I go stare you dead in your eyes. If me not love you, I stare you dead in your eyes and tell you what I want to tell you. Yeah, as a Gemini, me I tell you. But say me love you, it's like you pull something in my stomach. I don't know if this real. Nobody I played my feelings, bro. I don't know. Ask him. I already asked the man already. The man say a lifetime thing him a look. I ask him to the fact up I'm yard he want like him saying want like travel back and forward and you know try to settle down and all of that. He have feel look a plan in his brains. He have him plans in his brains. So if he him I look a long-term relationship. But I don't believe him. Why I not believe him? I don't believe him. I just can't put my finger on it, but I don't really believe it. But I like him. That's weird. I never really like. I'm always in control when it comes to man. So if this happen, But me around here, girl. The fuck. Enjoy look a moment and run. And then I start with me, hey, what a girl? Hey, girl, are you my black? Cause no phone number one get rid of. Oh, Ross, no, yeah, my friend. I'm sorry. I can't you have on the red dress. Oh, sorry, my baby. Hush. I can't you have on the red dress today. Me say, David. Diva, what? Real diva, what? Me say. Me say. Me think I want girl when me every second me black out on my comments, you know. Thank you, baby. Better than the one in that video? 100%? Yo, man, nice. You realize. You say, well, on you deserve happiness. Thank you. I do follow your yeah, me realize. It's that you realize. Okay, she said don't run, just talk your time. Don't run, just take your time to realize enjoy and doing. Alright. Girl, kinda weird running for true, like. To really know him. May I take that time there. Me really try to take that little time there. But me now I move fast. You know. Me just want to take my little time and just, you know. But me not like me feel happy around him. Me feel 100% happy around him, but I still kinda little bit, you know, me can't put my finger upon him. I try to put my finger upon him, I cannot. Yeah, that little something there. Just keep your finger crossed. Alright. Adieu.
Stay where you am. Me say from Nicki Minaj, gone on tour, a dose in a lion. I tell her so she shouldn't get involved with Blam them, you know. She should never friend Blam them. I can't hear nothing from her. Blam them, I call my name to Nicki, but it's life. You win some and you lose some. Ivany try that shit and lose. Rosealee didn't lose. Blam them didn't succeed. Blam them you succeed. Cock her fault. I'm a neighbor. Then is who this. Oh, me and you become neighbor now. Where you live? How far you live for me and you be neighbor? How far from me gate you live? How much yard? You say I'm a neighbor. Eh? Me know you never cook gear yet. You ever shot a soap yet? I'm going to my barrel for one. Lord, be real estate, thank you very much for your lion. Lord, I'm nervous, you see. Be real.
Alright, so more in off anything, my people. Me just have to say to Annie, say, don't go in anything where you're not sure about. Safeguard your heart, you know what I mean? If you have doubts about it, you know what I mean, take a step back. You see me? Just, you know what I mean, a man will come. You know, if it's settled for whatever, a man will come at some point. You see me? If you have fun with a youth, you have fun with him, but you feel like, say, that's the relationship for you. You see me? Make me know all the things still with people.
Thank you very much. I say, you see, Monday I come and have so much things to do. And I was weighing my mind and I was saying to myself, Should I or should I not? But the should I not have come up more than the should I. And be realistic, if it had not been for you. You see the should I wouldn't feel so great. What do you mean by one Martin? Make Martin move him dirty nasty thinking germs the chronic Bigfoot liquor slipper sell from your somewhere. Oh you mean one Martin? Ain't what a nasty Martin. I want a dirty Martin. Bright and fierce, about one Martin. No bother with that, yeah. No bother with that. The last time Martin over blinga and carry everybody go over the cheese blockade. Then somebody look for cheese seminar, please. Somebody look for cheesy blase. Cheesy blase gone quiet and from a tell urban but she and her husband say them live in her house and them not there and she a walk and a pay the man for come out with her. She just gone in. Yeah. 12 and a half Cambridge Street, I lie. I Cambridge Street tell him, I want. Yeah. I look at the neighbor class, yeah. Dawg. Easter done, she's gone in. She's gone in a church. She's can't come back to Jamaica. Ivany try everything for no come. Hey Annie, hey Sanchez. How are you? Yeah, Ivany try everything for no come back to Jamaica. My cousin died 6 years ago, girl. I lie. How are your cousin? Wally? Eh, Wally are your cousin? She's black, you shy girl. I my BFF. Mrs. Rich, oh, me BFF and Mr. Brock. Nick. She's gone in shelter. Cheese is on vacation. When you leave Cheese alone, leave her alone. The girl head mark up cause I beaten. Leave her and then them mash up tablet, iPad in her Britney head. And Britney says she now going to the hospital. Britney I played this school game too much. Britney won 2 good box. I bet if Zozo hold Britney one night and beat up her blow or Britney connected, you'd think a Wi-Fi. Britney won 2 box, but you don't love me. You're not married to other girl. I just shut her a box, you see, and say get seen. Britney, remember Britney go for mad certificate. Receipt come show me say she's not mad. Oh. Some don't know, oh, Britney are going. So Britney says she's not going to the hospital because she has so much people in her life them for Europe and gear with them a gear. Britney know where she go. Then who mad over money and all. Go on your child. Britney know where she do. Britney just know say no man no want her. She know. Britney is depressed. Sometimes in her life when you go through, let me say this to you. And this is no joke. A lot of us are like, sorry, not us. A lot of you guys are like Britney. Or let me not say you guys. A lot of persons out there are like Britney. But you will never know. You know why you not know? Oh, Nikita! Oh, Nikita! 6 years ago, Nikita did. 6 years more than that, man. 6 years, 1 year girl, you don't know when Nikita did. Move it. You don't know when your cousin did. You walk and make family like that. You don't know when your cousin did, because Nikita not dead 6 years ago. Nikita not dead 6 years ago. Big beat down there, man. The month and the date not say nothing. The year we are talking about. The year. Yeah. Big B, thank you. Let me say this to you guys. A lot of persons out there like Brittany. However, they're in a little better position than Brittany. And why I said that is Brittany is depressed. Brittany did not tackle her phase. And your phase is your change in life. Everybody goes through changes in life. The more you get older, is the more things shift for you. Your brain started to unlock. You understand me? Certain parts of your brain start to unlock. You start identifying things on a more mature level. Now, I said this couple months or years ago on a live that, you see, phase, everyone goes through a phase. And when you're going through a phase, that's the part and the point where you choose. Now, some selections are very easy based on our emotions, while others are completely hard. Brittany did not attack her phase or changes properly. It depressed the child so badly so till she look at herself and believe what she's seeing in the mirror. Okay, what do you mean by she believe what she's seeing in the mirror?
Well, my people, I do believe that these people on TikTok, them are go through something, you see me, but me don't know what them are go through, if I wish she bother say, or, you know what I mean, or them personal business or whatever, you see it. The part where you say boy was, well, the part that kinda, you know what I mean, because you have people when they go through things like that, you know, them indulge in whatever them love the most, you know, and overdo it. You understand? Or maybe I just craving Rose craving. You see it? Yeah. Because Rose say, every time him got air shot that him get, so maybe I know that I go and she just eat enough. You know what I mean? So, maybe we go watch some more and then we're going to move on to the next.
When you're going through changes, you're going through a part in your life where things are not always great for you. Most changes comes like that, where things are not always great. You know, you reach a rock bottom in your life where you have to make a decision on how to get out of it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, listen carefully. What Brittany did was succumb to the changes that was offered to her. You understand me? Hold on there. You see, because those changes were offered to Brittany in a time when she was getting a little bit of recognition, something different from the state that she was coming, where she was coming from, she believes that this is her ultimate at a tender age because she's still in her 20s, I suppose. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when she fell right there, she succumbed to it wickedly. A lot of persons succumb, but the reason why they are not looking like Brittany and behaving like Brittany because they have emotional support, which is friends, family, whichever they garner, they use to cushion them. You understand? That is why you cannot have a person depressed and living by themselves without Jesus Christ of Nazareth. It has, listen, you have to understand, let us not pay the free money any mind. Let us pay the situation. You see, we're easily distracted because we're looking at the obvious. Let us not pay the obvious any mind, but let us pay what is hidden. You understand me? And what is hidden, we have to look at. Now, ladies and gentlemen, understand yourself within a time when you were depressed or even feeling depressed. Understand what I'm talking about. Whether you have money, whether you have no money, whether you have to know how to tackle depression. You just have to. Now, a lot of persons out there, even World Dog is depressed, ivany depressed. When you look on Rosealee, they are depressed because things are not what it used to be. And the more you're putting in, is the less you're receiving. But you have to allow the less to look like it's more than enough, which you are pretending, and we get tired of pretending. So what is reaching Brittany is depression. Brittany is depressed, but she understood and understand that she is depressed. So what she's doing is channeling her depression through what you call the gadget, which is the phone. You understand me? Onto others in order to get back an energy of support that would please her and allow her to feel comforted. Now, what do we do with such depression after she's been comforted? What do we do with that? Top Chef, and that is true. We all have to go through things like nature. You understand me? But it's how you handle it. You see, because you don't spend time with yourself, you develop a level of bad mind for things that you have never created. You understand me? That is why we succumb to whatever it is. Now a lady with 50 picnic, why did you breed more than one times? Why? So when you're going to say you're depressed because you have 4 kids and they are fatherless, it's not my problem. So you will never channel that depression onto me. You understand me? Because helping you from the goodness of my heart does not come from pity. So you see the difference in knowledge and giving. Monday for the page. I don't know if I should make it on the fridge top or roll up my crashes and go on. Yeah. So you have to understand all of them something there. So when you see them people up on the internet behave a particular way, I don't pay them the mind, you know, because they are oozing out something on persons. Alright. If Rosealee never depressed, she wouldn't dare order 3 food. As simple as that be. Because sometimes when you unlearned, you know, you guys are not properly learned. You understand me? So when you understand depression, you see, sometimes when you can be so happy and you realize, say, when you're super happy without meaning, it's depression. You never know that? It pays to take care and understand who you are. Well, you never know. That is why people can't understand on the internet how mistakes stuff, because when I look at you, you're depressed, you have nothing to offer me. It no matter the car where you drive or the money where you have nothing to offer me. So you see, we would say that it takes an individual that is so wicked to do what Rosealee did, but it takes also someone who is depressed to do that. Well, I never know. It takes depression to get up every day on the app and ignore morals and come up and beg like crazy, beg without CONSCIENCE. Well, I never know. You have to be depressed to the point where you want a better life and you don't see a better life in front of you, and no, see there, little is much when God is in it. You have to understand the mentality of us is that we believe that we must not build anything based on favor. We must relax into favor. You never know. And when favor run out, we get depressed. Lomina, Dan. No, we get depressed. What am I worrying about? What am I worrying about? First and foremost, ask yourself the reason for you to be worrying. Lord Jesus, the light bill for pay. The light bill for pay Wednesday, I mean, I see the money yet. It's still not going to pay. It's not going to pay now that you're worrying. It's not going to pay. And if Wednesday coming in the pay, you just have to work out or you're going to live with the mosquitoes and the darkness. Because when the light pay, it shall never cut again. You never encourage yourself. You never encourage yourself. That's my point exactly. Somebody said when people stop shooting for them get depressed. And that is so true. Because they are depressed over things that they did not born with.
Well, my people, as I said before, when I say about Rosealee, because I talked about it before, him actually said, you know what I mean, when I say about Rosealee, yeah, something can go so, you know what I mean, you can, in that in that and you just eat a go so. You see me? But people, you have to just know say these people on TikTok, them try to keep up a type of where that's a standard, and the smoke and mirrors kinda fade away and get removed when a situation did come to light and the lady say him send her money to give him. You see me? So what you hear Shibada talk about these people are put in and get out back where them put in and a lie. You see me I say? Because them have to keep up their standard to give themselves to people. See say them a get gift so that attract more people to give them. You know what I mean? Instead of it up on live and not now go on for them and people are say them pop down. So them get people to give them, for other people come start give them. You know?
And that's the level of selfishness that cause one not to grow. So you understand. So when Britney says she now going to the hospital, she wants to go in there with her phone to create content because she knows exactly what she's doing. To create content so that she can get viewership, she can get likes, she can get gifts, she can get following, and she can feel as if she's with World Dog. Because the funny part about life that causes most of us to be depressed. Be depressed into persons who claim
to him money because one gift us them for send him back in money, but if me get him PayPal me that send him back the 170 chart, the 170 a 170 26,500 170. What do you mean by why? Come on, nobody have over me. iPhone him have. Me don't know if iPhone him have. Yeah, iPhone him have, yeah. Me gonna send when me eat. So what I ate, I want to send him back the money. What I ate, me want to send him back the money. So me would I eat about. So take a theme one when me eat. So the shrimp and the lobster and the crab would be for 11,000. About 50, about $100. Cause theme fish, I will him drink. About 125 or 120. No more sending back him money. And let me say this, power up the line. You see all of them when I took up the argument on them head, me block them. All of them. All of them when I took up the argument on them head on the FYP, me block them. You don't have loyalty. All of them. All of them when I take up the argument for them FYP, any one of them is a screener card go run with them, me block them. Makawa. Who na mash up and flap out? Who na mash up and flap out? I look girl never carry them up back on one pole. Uno na me uno na go me and uno na go toe to toe. Me and uno na go toe to toe on this. Me and uno na go toe to toe upon this. Me and uno show me door Jakes. Me and uno na go toe to toe upon this. So all who are wait for me and them, for all who are wait for call me name, and me and them blah 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 blah. Me and uno na go toe to toe upon this. If nothing na go on phone, uno go suck a hood. Me and uno na go toe to toe upon this a blood clot. Cause show me no say me done no live out. Show me no say me done no live now we already. It's true me know say me done no live now already. It's true me know say me a fight hard life at its finest. Me and no girl na go toe to toe pa you no boy. So all I want to go bright cute business on the head and feel like so when it's done and it's over, and me only can't so long and play match it now go work. Me I go black on no. I open it a tape. Show up the door, push up the door. Sure. I open it a tape. All of them will say black. 1, 2, 3 black. I open it a tape. All of them will say 1, 2, 3 black. 1, 2, 3 black. Cause you know me na own home training. I you know say me a dog. I you know say them say pedigree na mix with mongrel. Me na mix with no cause me a mongrel. It's true me know say pedigree na mix with mongrel. I true me know say me is a big dirty mongrel. Me na go mix with no. Me a go black no. It not make no sense to me. Well, oh, it not make no sense to NJ. NJ, you can't talk to me, my baby. I'm a baby falling and talk to me. Oh, it makes no sense, my baby. Talk to me, my baby. You come and you say, from the get-go you want to carry me out. Right? I never asked to see you. I never asked to go nowhere. The ear, me head where you see me do, me always want to throw on me ear cause.
Alright my people, well as enough people I say this is a clothing, right? And maybe Rosalie say boy this is a clothing and just order some expensive thing just to make him pay to take her out of her yard and know say yo him just want to highlight. You understand what I say? Maybe I that go on. But me feel like say, you know what I mean? Like people really see the culture of Jamaica. A lot of people and love it. And they would have loved to experience what them see. Like the rafting where I show recently a lot and people want to come do the rafting thing where them rub them down with the clay and them something there. Yeah, them want eat all of the food them and them with it and all those things. I want to just experience the Jamaica like lifestyle. As Roy Q say like the ghetto lifestyle that him want experience. But I guess him come with ulterior motive and you know what I mean? If you're not genuine, things are going to happen to you. So maybe Rosalie see him never genuine and just take him for do much money for the food where she order. Boy, I tell her. But now she want to send it back and thing. And I don't feel like him going to accept it to other people out of pride and trying to be that guy. You know what I mean? I feel like him going to accept it. If she send it go give him, he will go send it back. If she have him information, can send it go give him. You know what I mean? But people make me know when they think we're going to watch some more and then we're going to end it.
Most of the time, they like company live, like throw on the hairstyle and company live. Me have to always do my ear. Active there, active, throw it up. So like how it a tape, I'm tape it good because I don't want to intro, bad intro in it. Come active, no bad intro. You see the right Q store room, I want to take up on the head, some on the blood clot. TikTokers, I want to be. It's when I scroll through the FIP and stone up on my name, black. I don't want a friend from me too enough. I realize, say, anytime I hear people argument, anytime I hear people and people in an argument prior, I want to buy out the story, and I want to try to chat on people. It's true me know say me a dog, I want a pedigree, I live, me done live now already, I not mix with no. Me not mix with no. Me a go black no and go along my way. I mean I go argue with neither. Me and someone who go toe to toe on TikTok again. So me see what type of person I be, me I run the black program, cause just remember, me no need you know. We also know NJ, him did have him intention to what he's doing towards you for the views. Yeah. Abuse and fellowship them a look. Viewership and fellowship right you a look. Right you can get back in money. So tell right you say me Rosalie same time I'm ready for money him can get it. Just send the PayPal. Just send him PayPal. Just send the PayPal. Me can PayPal him back where me eat. So when him go live to him say Rosalie say if you send your blood clot PayPal come. Make sure PayPal you where she am coming. I go PayPal you where you know me know. Make us send you back your money. No big pussy boy can't from foreign can't come here so come go like them want come in an argument with me. Cause it just shows you that another behavior make right you vex at the money when him spend. Now for this spot, Barry Morgan is not nobody. And the behavior will right you spend a right you problem. Because right you did that enjoy the act all along. Right you did that enjoy the act all along. Our right you spend a right you problem. And Jamaica not cheap. So that just to show you so when right you they are Toronto, Canada, them not gonna eat. Stay one place. Stay one place. Stay one place. Just to show you so when right you there, me had right you no goat gun yam. Because if you normally go eat and take the bill, you'd have known food is not cheap. No way at all. The smallest box lunch in the ghetto, $1,000. Food not cheap. Food is not cheap. If you go to if anybody come from overseas and going out, if anybody come from overseas and I go to a restaurant, let me tell you this from now. Food there is not cheap. Because you're gonna pay for the food, you're gonna pay whatever, you're gonna pay for accommodation also. You're gonna pay for all the luxury. The luxury come with the GCT, come with the GCT or the ECT or the OOO or the service come with a cost. Cause remember, so the people have to pay for them AC and them good cheer. We call it maintenance fee. Not cheap. So if right you used to go out and eat him, I know say not cheap. No way at all in the world. Because if you want to eat shrimp and lobster, if you want to eat lobster and shrimp in a foreign it there. Not cheap. So don't put a cap where you can't reach it. You call me out of my house, you come on my yard for me, and then when you come on my yard for me, you have a problem with spending. And I go on like saying spending, you have a problem blood clot with. What kind of behavior you have to, but put in a blood clot no you? No behavior, nothing. And you spend your blood clot problem. No behavior, no, because you were enjoying the dirty behavior. Because you know me right, you. And I say like you don't know me. You know how some cuts and carry on all the time. It wouldn't make no difference in my house or outside. What difference did I make in my house or outside? You know what take place? He was cursing. Him cuss and go on. Him cuss too. Him cuss too. That's why I'm block them off of my page. All of them are
Well, my people, maybe like you, him come off or carry himself or act as if he was the richest thing, so that's why Rosealee goes so hard when it come to the things them what she order. You know what I mean? Because him give off that type of, you know what I mean, rich vibes there, and rare, and him send money go give this one and send money go give that the one them more while. So maybe Rosealee say, well, money I don't feel problem. I just go order what I want. I go extra large for everything. People, we are watch some more and then we are going to end it.
Pick up the store for them and then I chat off them up. I run black underneath them. Because right you was behaving bad also. He said them listen to the show will behave bad, never sub. It wouldn't sub bud me and not bud me. But yeah, I got pick out and I got talk about. And I got talk about them from the get one. He's foreign and this and that and that and that. Like right you did not be like saint. Him be a stink and dirty and cranny. What's let me look at your blood clot face? Right to a crosses. They come back and talk about. As long as being on a block me a Roger I go, them soon block your blood clot. Cause I wonder how long your talent show will keep up over this pussy clot. Oh.